Turn waste into soil. Build your compost system step by step. What if I told you that the most powerful thing in your garden is not what you plant, but what you throw away? Grass cuttings, leaves, kitchen waste. Most people see that, but what if that waste is actually the foundation of your food system? This is Kondos of Inkarhi. It's time where we don't just talk about change, we build real systems to live it. Today, we are taking another step towards self-reliance. Why compost is the foundation. Before anything grows, the soil must live. Without a healthy soil, crops struggle, growth is weak, results are poor. Compost is how you fix that. It turns waste into nutrients. It builds life into your soil. This is where real farming begins. What you already have. You don't need money to start composting. Look around you. You already have the following. 1. Green materials for nitrogen rich. That includes grass cuttings, vegetable scraps, fresh leaves, and kitchen water. 2. Brown materials for carbon rich, and which includes the following: dry leaves, small branches, paper if available. The principle is simple. You need to balance. Too much green, it will smell bad. Too much brown, slow breakdown. You need both. Building your compost system. This is how I build mine, step by step. Step 1. Choose your spot, shaded area, easy access. Step 2. Start with a base. Add dry materials, brown stuff at the bottom. This allows airflow. Step 3. Layer your materials, green layer, brown layer, and keep on repeating the process. Think of it like building a system, not dumping waste. Step 4. Add moisture. Use water from your kitchen. Keep it damp, not soaked. Step 5. Keep adding every day or every week. Build it gradually. Maintaining the system. To make compost work, turn it every 1 to 2 weeks. Keep it moist. Let air flow through. Avoid the following: meat, oil, plastics. If done right, no bad smell. Warm inside, slowly turning dark. That's when you know your system is alive. When will you know your compost is ready? After some time, your compost becomes dark, soft, rich. This is what farmers call black gold. Now, you can do the following: feed your garden beds, improve poor soil, grow stronger crops, all without spending money. Now it's your turn. Stop throwing away value. Start building your compost system, even if it's small. Start. And when you do, comment below, I turned waste into soil. Let's test your understanding. What is the key to good compost? Is it expensive fertilizers? Perfect weather? Balance between green and brown materials? Chemicals? You got it right. The answer is balance between green and brown materials. That's the foundation. This is Kondos of Inkarhi. It's time signing off. We're not just watching videos here. We're building a movement. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to be part of this journey. What are your thoughts on this video? Let's talk in the comments and learn from each other. Thank you for watching and take care. I'll see you in the next video.